Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete the Temu app quickly and easily. If you're ready to free up some space or just want to remove the app from any reason, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, locate the Temu app on your phone's home screen or in your app drawer. Next, tap and hold the Temu icon until a menu appears. This might take a second or two, so be patient. Now look for an option that says uninstall or delete. On some phones, you might see a little trash bin icon. Drag it. Finally, confirm that you want to delete the app. You might see a pop up asking if you're sure. Just tap OK or confirm. And that's it. You've successfully deleted the Temu app from your phone. See how easy that was. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy tech tips. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.